Welcome everyone, let's screen record in Nothing Phone 1. So the first step is you're going to slide down from the top once, slide down one more time, and you're going to slide from right to left, and we'll need to do it one more time. So for me, I don't have a screen record toggle. If you do, then just skip about 20 seconds into the video. So we need to turn on screen recording. We do this by tapping on the pencil, and once we tap on the pencil, we're going to scroll all the way down until we see screen record. We're then going to drag and drop, okay, and once it's dropped in place where you see hold and drag to rearrange tiles, then we can go back, we slide across again, one more time, and now we have the screen record option. So we'll tap on screen record, and now we have the start recording menu. So you have the option for record audio. If you turn this one on, it will either record device audio. If you tap on the arrow down, you can switch between device audio, mic, device audio, and mic. And if you want touches to show on screen, you can turn that one on as well. So let's tap on start. You'll see the countdown at the top right here, and once the countdown ends, screen recording has started. So every action on your device will be recorded, okay? So sliding across, app menu, opening up apps, closing out of apps will all be recorded. And when you're ready to stop the recording, just slide down once, and you see a stop screen recording. Tap on stop, and boom, you can see screen recording has been saved. So let's tap to view, and you can see this is the screen recording. I'm not touching the screen. It has recorded the screen successfully in Nothing Phone 1. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.